Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can delete your World of Tanks Wargaming account. In order to do so, first off, you're going to want to go to the Wargaming website, which you can be found at na.wargaming.net, and you need to log in. Once you have done so, up at the top right hand corner, you'll find your login icon. You can go ahead and click on that. And then from there, you want to go to account management. And in account management, we're going to go ahead and we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to the section that says data protection and select manage data. Going to click on that, and once we have done so, then here in data protection you're going to see the delete account option. Go ahead and click on that and take the steps, and you will have successfully deleted your account for World of Tanks and Wargaming. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.